Hey there, hair braiders. It's time to step up your game and take your business to the next level. Join Eco Hair Braiders Association, LLC. Are you tired of the same old routine? Struggling to keep track of appointments, finances, and client communication? Well, I've got the solution for you, Google Apps. Imagine having a personal assistant that never sleeps, never takes a break, and is always ready to help you out. That's what Google Apps can do for you. With Gmail, you can communicate with your clients like a pro, schedule appointments, and never miss an important email again. Google Drive will be your personal filing cabinet, keeping all your important documents, client photos, and business plans in one place. Want to take your consultations online? Google Meet has got you covered. Conduct virtual consultations like a boss. And let's not forget about Google Sheets. Track your finances, analyze your business data, and watch your profits soar. But that's not all. With Google Chat, Google Pay, Google Forms, and Google Slides, you'll have everything you need to gain, retain, and maintain your business's health, wealth, stealth, and even prepare for its death. Not that we're planning for that anytime soon. So what are you waiting for? It's time to embrace the future and take your hair braiding business to the next level with Google Apps. Let's do this. Call Denise at 612-407-2824 or go www.braiderscourse.com and join today.